Today, the plan is to actually get some of these marigold seeds up and get them bagged up and ready because we're gonna redo this flower bed and put a border around it, put some better soil and everything, and just make this area look a little bit better because once I put the birds in here, I'm gonna fence this off. But anyway, today, it's all about these marigolds. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like and give y'all some interesting factoids about marigolds.
Okay, this is what we're doing. We're putting these seed heads into the bags. My hands are we're putting the seed heads into the bags. Marigolds can be used to deter pests like aphids, white flies, and nematodes. And they can also be used in cooking to add color and flavor to your dishes. And then as far as herbal medicine goes, they can be used as an anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that the marigolds have, but always consult your physician before trying any herbal remedies or anything. I got to put that disclaimer out there, but I love the fact that they can deter pests, and it's good to put near crops where you have a pest issue because they might be able to deter those pests.
These are the actual seeds. So that's what we're harvesting. Those are the actual seeds.
We still have to separate them, but finished product, just about, almost done. Okay, we got some more.
We still got a lot more cleanup to do, putting the trellises up and everything for the berry patch, but I just wanted to do this first, get them seed heads up. And if y'all, we're probably gonna be giving some away too. So if y'all would like some, y'all can just email. I'll put my email down below. Y'all just send me where y'all want me to send them and I'll send it to y'all. What is that?
Thanks for watching, y'all.
All right, to the next one.